Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your new gear cable and housing. The first thing we got to do is you want to cut your housing to length, so you measure it up against your other housing, see how long it needs to be, or if you want it a little longer or a little shorter, just measure twice, cut once. So this has already been cut. So first we're going to put the inner cable in over here. So the first thing you want to do is there's a little screw in there. You might not have it, but you want to loosen that. So I've taken that out and just put that in a very special spot where you won't forget it and lose it. Okay, so now you get the end of your cable and thread it through there. You got to make sure this is on the lowest gear so you can't click it any further. Okay, so I've got it through the hole. Wait, you keep on doing this. So that's then in, make sure it's in all the way. Then we'll get the housing and the end of the cable and thread through the housing. So you thread the cable all the way through the housing and it will come out the other end. Sometimes it gets a little stuck on the other end, so you just back it out and then jam it through. So you move this all the way over. Okay, now we'll put the little cap back on the end to stop the cable from coming back out. There we go, the screw's in. So now we can back up the cable and the housing just sits there. Okay, so my cables are internally routed. If you don't have internally routed cables, it's going to be much easier. But now I'm just going to flip the bike upside down. So I've flipped it over and there's this plate on the end. So you want to take this off so you have more room to see the cable come up through and to try and get it through. Okay, there's the first bolt. The second one. So now that's out. You put that somewhere safe. And you'll come down the bottom here now. And so I gotta put this through the little hole there into the frame. But you can't put it on without taking off this end cap first. So you take off the end cap so that it fits through. So that goes in. I should see it go through soon. Alright, so I can feel it stuck. And that's it. So try and grab that. There we go. So that went much smoother than it usually does. And I have this little hose that goes on the end to stop it from making noise when it's banging around inside your frame. So we'll put that over the top of the hose. And I'll just pull this through a bit more. And push the hose down onto the bike. Push that in. So now that that's through, we'll put the end cap back on this. So just go. And that goes back on there. And now we'll put the thing back on to cover up the frame. So and there you go, so push it in place and do these up. I'm going to do them up evenly and not too tight but not too loose. There we go, they're in. This needs to go in there, but you don't want it to go over the chain. You want it to go through here. So you bring it through here, and this will be down like this. You want to thread this up. Do this thing on your derailleur. And that's in. Then this cable goes in here. And this bolt gets done up. You get this cable and you strap it to the frame there. Gotta leave plenty on there, and we gotta cut the inner cable. I'm gonna leave plenty of room, and I'm gonna cut it all the way up here, and then I'll trim it down later. There we go, that's the smoothest cut I've ever done. So that's it now. All you gotta do is tune your derailleur and you'll be done. Now for watching. If this video helped you in any way, leave a like if you like what I'm doing. Please subscribe. Next week I'll be showing you how to tune your derailleur so that you have nice clean shifting. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.